bang, bang.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I am going to show how this multi-tool works in cycle and I am going to review. Let's see what they gave in this multi-tool. So they gave you Allen keys from 5mm to 3mm and they gave you this cross screwdriver, and a hinge holder to keep hinge and a tire removal. So let's see what are the moving parts in my bicycle. So if you see here, my mudguard is very loose, so I am going to tighten that. I'll take this hinge and I will keep like this and also tie this. You see, this is properly tight. And my brake is very loose. You see, this is very absolutely shaking. So I will keep this hinge inside again. And I will take out this 5mm Allen key. Allen key here. And I will tie this properly. It will not see how much. So it is very useful to the long bicyclers who go long cycling. So we can use this bottle holder or disc brakes or front air, anything with this. So it is very useful to the long bicyclers. You can keep it in your cycle. For example, you can keep here in the seat and you can keep here by keeping a belt or anything. So it is very useful to the bicyclers. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. I bring these videos every week. So subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the first videos of mine. So if you think this video is useful, share to your friends. Thank you very much.